Human intelligence is one of the most profound and fascinating aspects of our existence. It serves as the cornerstone of our ability to adapt, innovate, and understand the world around us. Unlike any other species, humans have developed complex cognitive abilities that allow us to think abstractly, solve intricate problems, create art, and express emotions through language. This remarkable capacity is not merely the result of biology. It is deeply intertwined with culture, social interactions, and environmental factors that shape our intellectual growth. At its core, human intelligence encompasses a broad range of mental abilities, including reasoning, memory, problem-solving, creativity, and learning. These cognitive processes are orchestrated by the brain, a highly intricate organ that consists of approximately 86 billion neurons connected by trillions of synapses. This neural network forms the foundation for our cognitive functions, enabling us to process information, make decisions, and respond to stimuli in our environment. The brain's ability to change and adapt, known as neuroplasticity, underscores the dynamic nature of human intelligence, allowing individuals to acquire new skills and recover from injuries over time. Human intelligence is often measured and studied through various frameworks and theories. One of the most widely recognized models is Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, which posits that intelligence is not a single, uniform ability, but a collection of distinct modalities. According to Gardner, these intelligences include linguistic, logical mathematical, spatial, musical, bodily kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic forms of intelligence. This perspective challenges traditional views that prioritize analytical and linguistic abilities, emphasizing instead the diverse ways in which people excel and contribute to society. Another influential theory is Robert Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence, which categorizes intelligence into three components: analytical, creative, and practical. Analytical intelligence involves the ability to analyze and evaluate information, solve problems, and think critically. Creative intelligence refers to the capacity to generate novel ideas, adapt to new situations, and think outside the box. Practical intelligence, often described as street smarts, is the ability to navigate real-world challenges and achieve goals effectively. Together, these components highlight the multifaceted nature of intelligence, illustrating that it is not confined to academic performance or standardized tests. Language and communication are central to human intelligence, serving as powerful tools for expressing thoughts, sharing knowledge, and building social connections. The ability to acquire and use language is a defining characteristic of our species, enabling us to convey abstract concepts, emotions, and intentions with precision. Language is deeply intertwined with culture, shaping our perceptions and influencing how we interpret the world. For example, certain languages have unique words that encapsulate complex ideas or emotions, reflecting the values and experiences of their speakers. The interplay between language and intelligence underscores the importance of communication in human development and societal progress. Creativity, another hallmark of human intelligence, manifests in countless forms, from art and music to scientific discoveries and technological innovations. It is the driving force behind our ability to imagine, experiment, and construct new realities. Creativity is not limited to artists or inventors. It is a universal trait that allows individuals to approach problems with fresh perspectives, adapt to change, and envision possibilities beyond the present. This capacity for creative thinking has propelled humanity forward, giving rise to breakthroughs that have transformed our lives and expanded the boundaries of what we can achieve. The social dimension of human intelligence is equally significant, as it enables us to navigate complex relationships, empathize with others, and collaborate effectively. Interpersonal intelligence, or the ability to understand and interact with others, plays a crucial role in building trust, resolving conflicts, and fostering cooperation. Interpersonal intelligence, on the other hand, involves self-awareness and the capacity to reflect on one's emotions, values, and motivations. These aspects of intelligence contribute to our ability to form meaningful connections, understand diverse perspectives, and cultivate emotional resilience. Human intelligence is not static. It evolves and adapts over the course of a lifetime. Factors such as education, environment, and experience play a pivotal role in shaping cognitive abilities. Childhood is a critical period for intellectual development, as the brain undergoes rapid growth and forms neural connections in response to stimuli. Early exposure to enriching experiences such as reading, play, and social interaction can have a profound impact on a child's cognitive and emotional growth. Similarly, lifelong learning and engagement in intellectually stimulating activities can help maintain and enhance cognitive function in adulthood, demonstrating the malleable nature of human intelligence. The study of human intelligence has also led to the development of artificial intelligence, AI, a field that seeks to replicate or simulate human cognitive processes in machines. AI systems are designed to perform tasks such as problem-solving, pattern recognition, and decision-making, often with remarkable speed and accuracy. While AI has achieved impressive milestones, such as defeating human champions in games and analyzing vast datasets, it remains distinct from human intelligence in its lack of consciousness, creativity, and emotional depth. The exploration of AI raises philosophical questions about the nature of intelligence and the ethical implications of creating machines that emulate human cognitive abilities. Despite its extraordinary potential, human intelligence is not without limitations and challenges. Cognitive biases, for instance, can influence our decision-making and lead to errors in judgment. These biases, such as confirmation bias and availability heuristic, highlight the ways in which our thinking can be shaped by preconceived notions and limited information. Understanding and mitigating these biases is essential for fostering critical thinking and making informed choices. Additionally, mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression, can impact cognitive function and hinder intellectual performance, underscoring the importance of addressing psychological well-being in discussions of intelligence. Human intelligence is also deeply intertwined with ethical considerations and societal responsibilities. The ability to create and innovate comes with the responsibility to use knowledge and technology for the greater good. Ethical dilemmas arise in fields such as biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and environmental science, where the consequences of human actions can have far-reaching implications. The pursuit of wisdom, empathy, and ethical reasoning is integral to the application of intelligence in ways that benefit humanity and the planet. In conclusion, human intelligence is a multifaceted and dynamic phenomenon that encompasses a wide range of cognitive, emotional, and social abilities. It is the foundation of our capacity to learn, adapt, and create, shaping every aspect of our lives and society. From the intricate workings of the brain to the transformative power of creativity and collaboration, intelligence is a testament to the complexity and resilience of the human spirit. As we continue to explore and understand the nature of intelligence, we are reminded of our potential to innovate, empathize, and make meaningful contributions to the world.